guys, today I'd like to show you one of my recipes which I showed you on my live stream the other day, and as I promised Mindy's mom that I'm going to make a video of it, finally here it is, using this lotus root and of course my special ume. I hope you're going to enjoy this video too. The ingredients are lotus root and umeboshi. I'm using my homemade umeboshi. The condiments are 100 ml of dashi, 30 ml of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and pinch of salt. First of all, taking all the skin from the lotus root. Then slice it. Soak it into the water. Takes all the harshness. Meanwhile, take the seed from the umeboshi . And mince it with a cooking knife. Put all the condiments in a pan and let it boil. Did you notice that these condiments are the same as when you make sushi rice? Isn't it? Interesting. When it's boiled, add the lotus root. Cook it for 2.5 minutes. Finally, add the minced umeboshi. Let's dish up. Itadakimasu. Can you hear the sounds of crunchiness? I love it. Well, please do not cook too much, too long. Otherwise, you're gonna lose this crunchiness. That is the biggest point. Otherwise, this is just so easy, wasn't it? And you can actually keep it in the fridge for 5 days at least. So please try this out. You can enjoy this for a couple of days. Please do. Well, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.